Alright guys, I just finished the install for the Chinese diesel heater for the basement. Thermostat. Hot air comes out of there. I made use of the room in the back, storage room, utility room. There's the heater running full speed. Exhaust pipe. This will be replaced. This is just for now. It's going to be replaced by a 6-foot long one of these. This pipe, got it at Home Depot. Hot air exhaust pipe, dryer section. 90-degree elbow, also Home Depot. 3-inch to 4-inch adapter, Home Depot or Lowe's. 4-inch exhaust for the hot air, also at Home Depot. Fuel pump, the wiring was up and over to the power supply. Got that on Amazon. And the fuel tank. Filter goes straight up, back, up, into the heater. And this pipe heats up this room really well.